I've not had much luck with buying dashcams, as the last two conveniently failed just outside the return period, and so in each case I've reverted to one of my old 720p drone cameras. After a long and honourable service, this too failed, and so I purchased the Pelsee P1. Whilst I only wanted a simple dashcam, it's true that the Pelsee comes with more functionality than I will ever use. However, I decided to give it a try based on the high resolution and the fact that it appears to be designed for the purpose rather than evolved from the need to build something around the ubiquitous 2-inch monitor screens, which is the case with many dashcams. I was pleasantly surprised to find the box contained everything needed to fit and operate the main front-facing dashcam and the lower resolution rear camera, and that the main unit was well made and of quality materials. Before I took it anywhere near the car, I wanted to bench test it using the 12V output on my EcoFlow Delta 2. I already had a SanDisk Extreme Pro 256GB microSD-XC memory card and decided to use this rather than the included 64GB card, and on firing up the Pelsee, the first option was to format the card, which I did. I downloaded the Pelsee Cam app from the Google Store, which was straightforward, and changed a couple of settings to get the ball rolling. Interestingly, on connecting the app, the clock updated automatically. Because of my previous experiences with the dashcams, I decided to road test the front dashcam unit only for a couple of weeks before subjecting myself to the full fit of both cameras and all the wiring, which I would have to subsequently remove to return the Pelsee if it failed. To avoid having to clutter the car with all the wiring, whilst I sought reassurance it would work consistently and without fault, I attached the Pelsee low down on the passenger side of the windscreen so that it could be powered by a USB-A to USB-C cable via the 12V socket. I used a RAV Power iSmart adapter that I also had in stock, as it can deliver up to 4.8 amps at 5V, and the Pelsee line-out adapter is rated at 2.5 amps at 5V, which works perfectly. Here's some early test footage, albeit compressed to upload to YouTube, and so it does not accurately reflect the actual quality coming off the SD card, but you get the idea. I am happy with the results so far. As always, I shall update my experiences if they prove very positive or very negative in the description as time goes by. Once I am satisfied the Pelsee is as robust as it appears, I will do a proper installation with the dashcam in front of the mirror and the rear camera discreetly wired and fitted, and upload a follow-up video. If you're interested in the full capabilities and specifications of the Pelsee P1, then here they are, the instruction manual. It's all good.